Road safety. Road safety is an important concept that everyone should be aware of. Road safety ensures the safety and well-being of everyone on the roads. Road safety reduces the risk of illegal and dangerous driving behaviors. Road safety includes several rules and regulations. It is important to adhere to the speed limit. Road rules say it is important to pay attention to the traffic signs and signals. While driving a four-wheeler, we must use seat belts. Helmet must be used while riding a bike or motorbike. Road safety also reduces the environmental damage caused by road traffic. Road rules and regulations must be followed by everyone to ensure their own as well as others' safety. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel Our Knowledge.